Bitcoin rolling over, looking good right now, coming down to our buy zone that we have predicted yesterday. So we were waiting for this yesterday. We got that little fake out, and now we've rolled over overnight. Of course, this is what typically happens with the moves, right? We typically don't catch them right away because we're sleeping. No, sometimes it does happen. So what we're gonna do today is probably wait for a confirmed retest here where we're looking for that 15-minute close continuation right now. So let's wait and be patient. You can see here you're getting these beautiful pig nipples as they talk about. And the big boy green dots. Let's go. So it's looking good here on Market Cipher on the short term. Let's see if we get that bounce retest continuation. I'll let you guys know if I enter in the Discord. And we've been crushing it in the Discord. So about the Discord, going over here, we had this injective trade. It has since fallen down, but initially that's a beautiful like 6% move that we caught. So that's pretty awesome as well. Also on Solana, we've been Kyle had a wonderful setup yesterday where we all made a good bunch of bank as well. So thank you, Kyle. I mean, this Discord's crushing it. We did a huge video with Market Cipher and Flopper and Groper yesterday as well. So that was an honor and a privilege. And hopefully everybody who came over who's new, we can bring you guys some alpha as well. So going over to Bitcoin, we're going to go top-down analysis as per usual. We were talking about the 3-day and how we're trying to front-run this VWAP crossover and how it can continue to the upside. Then we go into our 2-day. That's looking positive. However, a retest of the zero line is inevitable with a confirmed green dot here. A little bit of a flattening out on the stochastic. So something to be aware of. Remember, today is Friday. It's a non-trading day. It is a non-trading day in the stock market, okay? It is a holly bob. Sometimes maybe you guys should go touch some grass. You guys are just too legendary at trading. And maybe it's time to take a little break and go spend some time with your families, Nonetheless, we love it here and we love trading. And we do have some things that could affect Bitcoin even coming in Friday, March 29th here. Personal income, personal spending, Pharaoh, chow, pow, 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 pow. I think it's a bit early for a beatbox, but yeah, chair pow. So a bunch of things coming out today. Be cautious, be cautious, be cautious. Okay, looking at this daily, we've seen the flattening of the view up here. The money is still thick as heck. Thick as what did we say yesterday? Thick as a Wendy's milkshake, baby. Let's go. Okay, so looking at the 12-hour, we're trying to front run this. Okay, we got the red dot printing. It hasn't confirmed yet. Okay, so confirmed. It'll print another part of the wave, but you can see this negative posturing to the downside here on Market Cipher. So something to be aware of here, how it is kind of pulling it down, right? And that's not to say that we can't just have a simple kind of reset and continuation, So it's something to be prepared for as well, considering we're favoring longs right now, okay? Considering we're favoring longs. Looking at this, okay, we can see that we flopped over to the red side right here. Just on this move up and then this kind of consolidation. So that's always a warning sign here on a 4-hour when our stochastics goes over to red. However, the good news is that VWAP has crossed over down and it's starting to posture and flatten out where we're looking for that continuation back up to the upside now that we are around that negative 10 level, right? Negative 10 levels, typically you get the move back in, right? So we're looking for that and anticipating that, and we'll look to front run this green money flow coming back in. Okay, so that's a very good sign nonetheless. So let's go into our 2-hour as well. Beautiful posturing to the upside here. Even though we got that drop down just now, it has kind of reset where you're getting the anchor and trigger wave looking to continue its work upwards. Then you're getting a little bit of a pushback as we speak. Okay, we were looking for this level. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit upset right now. To snipe this level, you would have had to be up around 5 a.m. It's only 7. We got up 6:30, so we're here, and that's okay. So you can see the move to the upside here, trying to push back. Okay, and a lot of the alts bled out last night because of this little crawl to the downside. Okay, this is nothing new. We're anticipating this breakout. Let's see if we get it. But I would stress patience before just jumping into a long right now. I would look for something along these lines where you're getting swing failure pattern and continuation to the upside. Okay, something to be patient about. Looking at market cipher here, you got your beautiful curvature coming up, pushing to the upside. So for me, get into like a 15 or a 30 minute and look for the VWAP to come back down to the 0 line and bounce. Okay, that's kind of what I would be being patient for, just for that to continue up, and you'll get the beautiful anchor trigger wave here on the short term time frame. So let's just be patient. You can see there's lots of room to the upside, so patience is key here in the short term. Okay, yesterday was like a nothing burger. We had that quick wickout, that quick trade we took yesterday. Very nice trade, but not much given to us from Bitcoin. So you guys have asked me to look at a couple things, so I'm going to go over injective. Like I said, bled out, coming back in. Okay, so this trade is still valid, I guess you'd say, but you definitely did not make a higher high here. That would have been when you started rolling over here, you did not take out this high. That would have been your tail that you were coming back down. Okay, so we can look for that double bottoming again and readjust this to I would say down here now. So we are looking around this area. Let's pull volume across here. Let's take a look. Okay, yeah, point of control. Fibonacci. Do we got a Fibonacci? Let's check our Fibonacci for the entire range to make sure that we do have confluence at our level so that we are prepared. Yeah. So yeah, we can extend this a little bit down, but mostly it's going to be right here is going to be our buy zone that we are looking for a retest as well. So I'd be looking for a retest at 36.85 for a continuation back to the upside on the price action here of injective, and looking for that 786 protection level, targeting the tops yet again. Okay, let's see if that pops off. Someone asked me to look at Doge. Shout out to Tony Soprano. Much love to you, my friend. Doge flagging out here. Okay, looking for the breakout. It came up to this. It has currently been rejected. Okay, we had this buy level here that we did get a touch on. Okay, so that's pretty cool. We were expecting a retest of these previous highs. Okay, and you have just barely taken out this high here. So now it's a matter of pulling a fib, getting a fib retracement from swing low to swing high here, and you can adjust this box up to here. Right now that you've had that change, that change in character of taking out the previous high here, so now you can target here for a potential retest and a continuation long here on Dogecoin. So hopefully that helps you out. Overall, let's see the 4 hour. I mean, Doge has had that astronomical move, right? I wouldn't be too gung-ho to jump into a Doge trade right now. It's a Friday. We're probably going to chop sideways and down, typical for after an explosive move to the upside. Okay, so something to be cautious about. Nonetheless, the narrative is there. We got the pump yesterday, so be safe. Look for that 21.2 area and make sure you're giving yourself a lot less leverage and a lot less margin, so you have some space for your stop loss. Okay, because it's violent. Okay, going over the heat map as we typically do, taking a look through the heat map, and what do we got? We got Doge, Bitcoin Cash, ICP, dog whiff hat. You know, that beautiful dog whiff hat. Someone told me to close my dog whiff hat trade. You were wrong. Okay, already Ondo is up, these real world assets. Okay, so just be cautious out there. It is Friday. Maybe it's time to take a break. You're getting this breakout trade here on Bitcoin. We're waiting for the retest. Sorry, guys. I wasn't awake to catch the buy zone. And join us in the free Discord, because then you're getting these buy zones. And if you are up before me, you can catch them. Okay, you can catch them because it was given in advance. Okay, there it is right there. So much love to every single one of you. Hit subscribe, like if you enjoyed this content. I'll continue updating you guys, and I'll see you guys later tonight, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Much love to every single one of you. Peace.